2014, and today. We shall keep on reading it until 22nd July is a public holiday. And we do hope that next year we do not have to read it. Ladies and gentlemen, please.
So, can all of you follow me? Yes. This is our Sarawak 50th Independence Day demand to the government of Malaysia. We, the people demand, as the date being 22nd July 1963, was when Sarawak attained her independence from the British colonial rule and became a nation, independent and free, and as thereupon the said date, Sarawak eventually, in moving towards subsequently, merged with Malaya, North Borneo, which is Sabah, and Singapore, in forming the Federation of Malaysia, which was declared on the 16th September 1963. And as the said 16th September has been declared a public holiday benefiting the state. Sorry, not state, status. And purpose. That 22nd of July, we likewise remembered and respected as part and parcel of our national struggle. We declared a national holiday as well in order to enabling the people to cherish and reminisce on its importance in the annals of history of achieving our nationhood of people, independent and free from bondage of colonization, and being an integral part of the Federation of Malaysia. We solemnly demand on this day 19 July 2015 in Kuching. Thank you very much, and we walk.